Unveiling the magic, the new PlayStation 5 Slim version. This state-of-the-art gaming console radiates a wave of technological prowess and creativity, serving as a testament to the long-standing commitment to research and development from the dedicated team behind it. Each curve and line of its sleek design is meticulously crafted, making it an aesthetically pleasing marvel that perfectly combines style with utility. This unique blend of fashion and functionality is a tribute to the design team's relentless quest for excellence. The PlayStation 5 Slim is an embodiment of pioneering technology, integrating cutting-edge features that bring an uncharted level of dynamism into console gaming. This isn't just your traditional gaming console, it's a beacon of technological innovation, shattering all preconceived notions and delivering a gaming experience that is truly second to none. At its heart, the PlayStation 5 Slim is powered by a groundbreaking third-generation AMD Ryzen processor, a symbol of raw power and efficiency. This robust powerhouse features 8 cores and a whopping 16 threads, all meticulously engineered for seamless multitasking. With a clock speed that reaches up to 3.5 GHz, it promises to deliver a gaming experience that is devoid of any glitches or lag. Working in unison with the powerful processor is the AMD RDNA 2 custom graphics chipset, a trailblazer in the realm of graphic technology. This ultra-advanced graphics card is purposefully designed to astonish gamers with jaw-dropping visuals that are so breathtakingly that they'll have you questioning your own reality. Combine this top-tier graphics card with the robust processor, and you're in for an immersive gameplay experience like no other. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. To ensure a seamless gaming experience, the PlayStation 5 Slim comes packed with a staggering 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. This massive memory allocation guarantees a fluid gameplay experience, eliminating any instances of buffering or load times. As far as power is concerned, the PlayStation 5 Slim is a towering figure, boasting an impressive indicative power of 10.3 teraflops. This technical prowess the console to produce graphics and gameplay that not only redefine the gaming experience, but catapult it to previously uncharted territories. Forget about storage limitations with the PlayStation 5 Slim. With a massive storage capacity of 1 TB on a removable SSD drive, this console lets you delve into the immense universe of gaming without any restrictions. For those who appreciate cinema, the PlayStation 5 Slim is equipped with a crystal-clear 4K Blu-ray optical drive. Whether you're a fan of old classics or the latest blockbuster hits, you can enjoy them in the highest quality right from the comfort of your own home. One of the standout features of this console is its support for a maximum resolution of 8K and a maximum frame rate of 4K at a staggering 120 frames per second. This ensures that your games are not only more vivid and detailed but smoother than ever before. The PlayStation 5 Slim, where gaming meets innovation.